Alright, it's IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you some questions which you will have to answer. Let's get started. Who is your favorite celebrity in your country?
Okay, when it comes to celebrities, my favorite celebrity is Shan, and he is my favorite because he has a capacity to dwell into any character, and he has like ability to perform multiple characters. So that's why he is my favorite personality.
What kind of famous people do you often see in the media? What kind of famous people do you often see in the media?
Okay, well, when it comes to media and famous people, we see a lot of people. They are from the industry, drama or film industry, as well as from education industry, and also from fashion industries these days. And fashion industry is flourishing nowadays, so that's why I think we see a lot of fashion designers in the industry.
Okay, do you pay attention to famous people in the news?
Well, yeah, it is quite interesting to know about their lives. So whenever there is some interview about their personal life and events they're happening in their life, so I pay attention to their
Good. Would you like to become famous one day or in the
yes,
future?
everybody wants to be famous in future. So yeah, I'm working on a few things that maybe will make me famous someday. Like I am writing book and poetry as well. I am working on my TV channel. So maybe I'll be famous someday.
All right, overall good. Keep it up like this. Try to expand, like the last two questions, answers were somewhat short. You can elaborate more and use a variety of words.
Sure.
Famous, popular, right, known by millions of people, something like that. Okay, use a variety of words, otherwise it's good. Thank you.